Welcome to the channel. Today we will guide you through an important feature on Tumblr that many users often ask about. If you want to change your display name on Tumblr using your phone, this video will walk you through the entire process clearly and easily. First, open the Tumblr app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom. Then, click on the settings icon at the top right. This will open a menu with several options related to your account. Look for the option labeled Change Name and tap on it. Here, you can enter the new name that you want to display on your Tumblr profile. Make sure the name you choose is appropriate and follows Tumblr's guidelines. Finally, after entering your new name, tap on the Save button at the top right corner. Your profile will update immediately, and your new name will now be visible to anyone visiting your Tumblr page. This process is simple and can be repeated anytime you want to refresh your profile identity. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.